Welcome to the Wellness Hub, your cozy corner for natural healing and mindful living. Today, we are exploring natural herbal remedies that bring soothing relief during menstrual pain. If you're ready to swap synthetic meds for gentle, time-tested solutions, you are in the right place. Now let's begin by understanding menstrual pain. Menstrual pain affects millions of women worldwide. It is often caused by the uterine muscle contraction triggered by hormone-like substances called prostaglandins. Symptoms can include cramping, back pain, headaches, nausea, and mood swings. But nature offers gentle allies to ease this monthly struggle. Let's discuss and explore the topmost herbal remedies for menstrual pain relief. Number 1, ginger tea. Ginger reduces prostaglandin production, easing cramps naturally. Stir fresh ginger slices into hot water for 10 minutes and sip warm through the day. Number 2, chamomile tea. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory property relaxes the uterus and eases emotional stress. Brew chamomile tea and enjoy 2 to 3 cups daily during your cycle. Number 3, cinnamon. Cinnamon helps reduce inflammation, improves blood flow, and relieves pain. Add cinnamon to your tea, smoothies, or oatmeal. Number 4, turmeric milk. Turmeric's curcumin compound reduces inflammation and soothes aches. Stir turmeric into warm plant-based milk with a dash of pepper for easy absorption. Number 5, peppermint tea. Peppermint's menthol component relaxes muscles and eases headaches. Drink a warm cup during peak discomfort and experience the cooling effect of peppermint. Dong quai or angelica root, known as a female ginseng. It balances hormones and relieves cramps. Consult a qualified herbalist before use, especially if you are on medication. Let's now go through some helpful lifestyle tips alongside the herbs to help you relieve menstrual pain. Number 1, practice gentle yoga and stretching. 2, apply a warm compress on your lower abdomen. 3, remember to stay hydrated with herbal infusions. And 4, prioritize restful sleep and stress reduction. Menstrual discomfort doesn't have to be a monthly battle. With the support of these natural herbs and nurturing self-care, you can ease the pain and embrace your cycle with more comfort and grace. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Wellness Hub for more natural healing inspiration every week. Comment below which herbal remedies are you excited to try this month. Let's grow this beautiful wellness community together.